Julie the Whippy Chick here, and sorry about the weird camera angle, but I'm driving and I don't want my camera jerking around, jumping around, joggling around. I don't know. I don't want to do any of that. So hopefully there's not too much vibration. So I am the Whippy Chick, that is true, but I tell you what, today I'm just whipped, just plain old whipped. I'm so tired from working all day. We have started our busy season, and that's a good thing. It makes the day go by fast, it makes the week go by fast. But yeah, it's hard work too. Don't get me wrong. I'm tired when I get home. So that's okay though. I'm happy to get the work done. That's why I get paid, right? I don't get paid to sit around. I hope you're doing great. I hope you're having a fantastic Thursday. I like Thursdays. It's like Friday's got such a fun vibe, but Thursday's the anticipation. And hey, I looked it up, and today's fun holiday is Squirrel Appreciation Day. Squirrel Appreciation Day. How fun is that? I bet all the squirrels in my area are up in their little trees, in their little nests, all curled up with their big fluffy tails around them because, brother, it is cold. It's really chilly out. But when I heard that it was Squirrel Appreciation Day, it made me think of Granny D. So if you don't know who Granny D is, or you've never been to Granny D's YouTube channel, I will leave a little link or something down below here. Or maybe I'll just leave a picture or her name of her channel so you can go check it out. But Granny D loves squirrels, and she's always looking for new squirrels for her squirrel squad. So I think that was funny when I saw that it was Squirrel Appreciation Day. I had to give Granny D a plug. So not only is it Squirrel Appreciation Day, but tomorrow is my younger sister's birthday. So happy birthday, Joanne. You know I love you. And I'll be good. I won't buy you any yarn because you're not a yarny like I am. But that's okay. I still love you. I have always been trying lately to get my sister to do yarny stuff, but it's just not her thing, and that's okay. That's okay. She's got her own things that she likes. What else is going on? I'm working on a lot of granny squares. Lots and lots of them to make a granny square blanket for a new baby coming into our family in May. And the colors are so pretty. And I will leave some pictures in here so you can see. I'm using Red Heart Roll With It Tweed, and the colorway is Beach House. And man, I'd love to be at a beach house right now. I really, really would. It's 32 degrees. Thank you. He had the right of way, but he's letting me go. So hey, I'll take it. He's probably thinking, that crazy woman's talking to herself. I'm going to let her get ahead of me where I can watch her. Probably afraid I'm going to rear end him. No, I'm a very safe driver. What else is going on? What else? Yarn Hookers. Yarn Hookers is this Saturday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we are going to be at Melanie's channel, Hook to Left. Woohoo! And this week we are going to be talking about chunky weight yarn. What is it good for? Absolutely everything. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm sorry. I am tired and I'm getting a little punchy. But yes, we are going to be talking about chunky yarn and some fun things that we've made with chunky yarn. And this road is going to be really bumpy. I'm just warning you. Got a lot of permafrost and potholes up here on top of this big old hill. I almost hit a deer up here this morning, you guys. Ran right in front of me. was nice. I didn't scold it, but I did tell her to be more careful in the future. Sweet girl, you can't go running in front of cars. Hopefully she'll listen. Okay, so I told you about yarn hookers. I told you about my granny blanket. I told you about my sister's birthday, and I told you about Squirrel Day. Is there anything else? Patterns. I've been writing some patterns. Ginger's the yarn geek, one of the yarn hookers. Ginger is testing a headband pattern for me right now. So as soon as she's done with that, that's going to go up on Ravelry. And I'm also just started writing a baby bonnet pattern. And once Ginger tests that, that's going to go up on Ravelry. However, I don't just have Ravelry anymore. I have Etsy too. So I've started in a little Etsy shop. I'm not doing any handmade items, just patterns and my coffee mug or tea mug if you're a tea drinker like me. I'm not a coffee drinker. So anyway, if you're interested in buying a Whippy Chick mug, they're available. I don't expect them to sell very well, to be honest with you. I just wanted one for myself. So Ginger and Melanie convinced me I should sell some, so I am. So if you want one, they're very cute. I think that's it though. I don't have too much else going on. Work is keeping me super, super busy. And when I get home, all I want to do is fix dinner, because if I sit down, I won't get back up. So I immediately fix dinner, take a quick shower, throw on some comfy PJs, crochet till I fall asleep. That's how life's gone at my house the last few days. It's not a bad thing. It really isn't. I have nothing to complain about. I've got a good job, I've got a house, got a great family, got food. What else do I need? Oh, yarn. I like my yarn. All right, I just came down the mountain, and so I think I'll let you go. And I'll talk to you hopefully on Saturday. Again, we're over at Melanie, Hook to the Left. And so I hope to see you there. And if not, maybe you're busy, you can catch the replay. I always put the Yarn Hookers live replays in, they don't call it a folder. What do they call it? I can't think of what they call it in YouTube. We've got a whole bunch of videos all together. Oh my word. Anyway, they're always available on my YouTube channel if you ever want to check them out, because they are a lot of fun. And there's a lot of information in there too. We pack a lot of punch in our little videos. So, hope to see you there. And if I don't, maybe I'll see you on Tuesday when I do my next card chat. For now, I think I better just stop, because I don't even know if I'm making sense anymore. Am I? Am I even making sense? I don't know. Maybe. All right, guys, take care. Have a great night. I'll see you next time. Oh, and don't forget, it's my new motto. Don't forget to look for the beauty in every day. It's there. Some days it's harder to find it than others, but it is there. All right, guys. See you later.